Aba, pinangkakamot.
Mautak eh.
Tayo. Yung damit niya.
Bangon agad eh.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, fortunately I couldn't make it tomorrow. I was wondering if I could reschedule it. Okay, I'm looking at my schedule. How about do you have anything on Friday? Yeah, okay, Friday, yeah. That'd be great. Okay, this Friday, the 4th. Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Tagal naman ulit. Ano ba sinisilip mo dyan?